customer of mine brought me this bow a few weeks ago. It's for his son. This is a Diamond Edge Max. Unfortunately, he had mentioned that as he was coming to full draw, he was hearing a click noise on the stops where it stops for draw length. It's just plastic. So my guess is that it's just the contact that it's making. Right there, it rolls off. And then you can hear that click. So yeah, just a PSA backed little felt pad. I'm gonna cut it to size with the scissors and then just put it on both sides of the little mods here. Felt pad from the Q80 Arrow Rest has been attached here. And as well here. And this time when I pull it back, there's no audible click.